Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock broth. First, gather your essential ingredients. Chicken bones, a mix of aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, and plenty of cold water. Using cold water helps extract more flavor and nutrients from the bones. Make sure you have a large stock pot, ideally 8 quarts or more, to accommodate everything comfortably. This foundational step is crucial for a rich and flavorful broth. Once your ingredients are in the pot, cover them with cold water, ensuring at least 1 inch of water above the solids. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. As soon as it starts to bubble, reduce the heat to low, maintaining a very light simmer. Throughout the first hour, carefully skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This step ensures a clear and clean-tasting broth. Allow your stock to simmer gently for a minimum of 4 hours, and for an even richer flavor, you can extend this up to 12 hours. Once simmering is complete, carefully remove the large solids. Then, strain the entire liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container. This removes all the small particles, leaving you with a clear broth. Rapidly cool the stock to ensure food safety before storage. After cooling, transfer your chicken stock to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze the stock in smaller, usable portions for up to 6 months. This makes it convenient for future recipes. Remember, homemade stock elevates any dish, from soups to sauces. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.